This is a Trident Disabilities audio archive recording for New Disabled South on Florida 2024 Senate Bill 166, Protections for Public Employees Who Use Medical Marijuana, read by Angela Luttrell on February 18, 2024. Sponsor, Tina Polsky, Democratic, District 30. About the bill. This bill is called the Medical Marijuana Public Employee Protection Act. Medical marijuana, products made from the cannabis plant that are used to help people with specific disabilities. You have to have a note from your doctor to get, and it can help with anxiety, pain, and memory disabilities. It helps protect people who work for the government and use medical marijuana. The bill defines important words: adverse personnel action, unfair treatment of an employee or possible employee, job applicant, someone applying for a job, public employee, someone who works for the government. The bill also says that public employees who use medical marijuana should be protected from unfair treatment at work. Unfair treatment can include not being hired, getting fired, or being treated differently because of using medical marijuana. If someone applies for a job with a public employer and they are offered the job, they may have to take a drug test before they can start working. The bill also says that if it would be too difficult or expensive for the public employer to make changes for the employee who uses medical marijuana, they don't have to do it. Medical marijuana can impact people's jobs. The bill says that a boss can't punish someone just because they use medical marijuana. If marijuana impacts an employee's ability to do their job, then the boss can take action. The boss can also test employees for marijuana. If an employee tests positive, the boss has to tell them and give them a chance to explain the result. The employee can even show a card that says they can use medical marijuana. If the employee can't give a good explanation, the boss has to do another test before taking action. If someone is treated unfairly because they use medical marijuana, the bill says they can go to court within 180 days. They can ask the court for different things like stopping the unfair treatment, getting their old job back, or getting paid the money they would have gotten if they were working. This bill does not stop an employer from punishing an employee for using drugs during working hours or doing something against the law. It also doesn't make insurance companies pay for the medical marijuana. An employer doesn't have to change the job or working conditions for someone who uses medical marijuana. A police department can still have rules against employees using medical marijuana. Bill status. October 11, 2023, it was filed. October 17, 2023, referred to health policy, governmental oversight and accountability, and rules. January 9, 2024, bill was introduced.